Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can buy or order in Amazon. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, simply open Amazon application and make sure that you are logged into your account just like this. Now on your home page you can see there are various things that you can buy, but you can always get to your search bar right here and search for the specific item that you want. For example, I want an electric toothbrush. So I'm going to just type that down here. You can see I'm going to tap that down and search for electric toothbrush. And then I want this particular item. So I'm going to tap on it. And just like this, here you can see this is the item that I want. And if you scroll down a bit, here you can get all of the details. Here we have the color options. We also have the quantity option. So if you scroll down here, you can see quantity. If you tap on it, here you can now select how many items you want. I'm going to go with 1, and now you can select 2 different options: add to cart or buy now. So if you want to buy right now, you can tap on buy now, or if you want to buy later on, you can tap on add to cart and it will be saved on your cart. If I simply tap on cart, here you can see these are all of the items in my cart, and now I can buy it anytime. For now, I'm going to again go through the same page and simply tap on buy now. So after tapping on buy now, here you can see if your delivery address is correct, you can tap on deliver to this address, or if it's not correct, then tap on edit address. And like that, you'll be able to edit your delivery address. Here we also have the option of add a new delivery address. If you want to get delivered to a different address, you can tap on it and write down the address in order to get delivered, or you can tap on find a pickup location near you and you'll have to go through that location in order to pick up your delivery. And after tapping on that, you'll get the billing option, and all you need to do is simply pay for it in order to set your order in Amazon. So again, I'm going to go back and get to the cart, and I'm going to show how you can buy from your cart. Here you can see these are the items that I had put in my cart. I'm going to go with this item, tap on it, and it's really easy. All you need to do is simply scroll down a bit, and again here you can see all of the details, and in here you can select the quantity, and all you need to do is again tap on buy now, and like that you'll be able to buy or set order in your Amazon. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.